Question number 2. Find the amount of heat released when water of mass 2 gram is cooled from 70 degree centigrade to 10 degree centigrade. Okay, specific heat capacity of water is given 4.2 calorie per gram per degree centigrade. Okay, here the question is water 70 degree centigrade means it's a hot water. Okay, so hot water. You have to change the temperature from 70 to 10 degree centigrade. Okay, now question is how much amount of heat release. Definitely, obviously, if heat release, then this temperature will changes from 70 to 10 degree centigrade. Now, mass of the water given 2 gram. Here, change in temperature delta T is given 70 to 10. It means 70 minus 10 equal to 60 degrees centigrade. And C, value of C is also given. C equal to 4.2 calorie per gram per degree centigrade. Okay. Now we know Q equal to MC delta T. Q equal to MC delta T. M value 2, C value 4.2 and delta T 60 degree centigrade. By calculating, we get the answer 504 calorie. It means that the amount of heat 504 calorie is needed to change the temperature of water having mass 2 gram from 70 degree centigrade to 10 degree centigrade. Is it clear? This is the answer. Question number 3. Find the amount of heat required to heat ice of mass 10 gram from minus 20 degree centigrade to 0 degree centigrade. Here, this is ice. Now, temperature of ice is given how much? Minus 20 degrees centigrade. So, if you heat it, means if you apply heat, then the temperature of the ice is increase by getting heat. So, how much it will increase up to 0 degree centigrade? Changes from minus 20 degree centigrade to 0 degree centigrade. Okay, so delta T will be delta T rise in temperature, that is 0 minus 20 degree centigrade. Okay, minus 20 degree centigrade. Okay, now this 2 minus will become plus, so rise in temperature 20 degree centigrade. Don't be confused here, minus. Why? Here, which one is greater, 0 or minus 20? Obviously 0 is greater than minus 20. So always greater write greater number minus the smaller number. Okay, the greater temperature is 0 and minus, here smaller temperature is minus 20. So this will be 0 minus plus 20. Did you understand? So delta T is given, C also given in the question, and mass given. Now Q equal to MC delta T. Put the value, M equal to 10, C equal to 2.1 and delta T as you calculate 20 degree centigrade. So by multiplying this we get 420 calorie. It means that the amount of heat 420 calorie is needed to raise the temperature of this ice from minus 20 degree centigrade to 0 degree centigrade. Okay, now is it clear? Now question number 4. Read the question. A heater, this is a different type of question. A heater gives heat at the rate of 100 watt it is used to heat 50 gram of water from 20 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade. Specific heat capacity of water is given 4.2 calorie per gram per degree centigrade. Find the time taken to do so. Here it's a heater. Okay, water is kept. Okay, now the power of a heater is given. How much power of a heater is given? 100 watt. Okay, now power of a heater is given 100 watt. The mass of the water is given 50 gram. Okay, now delta T, temperature change from 20 to 30. So delta T will be 30 minus 20, 10 degrees centigrade. But we know that power equal to work done by time. P equal to W by T. So if you cross multiply P into T, so W equal to P into T. Work done equal to power into time. And we know that work done is equivalent to the energy, because the definition of energy is capacity of doing work is called energy. So these two are equal. So we can write energy equal to work done by heater. Okay, and energy, here energy, which energy? Heat energy. So we will write heat energy means Q equal to work done, Q equal to W, W means P into T. Okay, so Q means here this chapter Q equal to, we know Q equal to MC delta T, MC delta T. So we will put the value MC delta T, Q equal to, and P into T. Now T equal to, we find out the T. T means here power equal to work done by time. T means time. So P will go down. So T equal to, we have MC delta T and this P. Now put the value. All value is given. Mass M50, C 4.2, here mass of the water given 50, C 4.2, and delta T we calculated 10 degrees centigrade, and power of the heater is given 100 degree, 100 watt. Okay, we calculate it, we have the value 20. Okay, so the time taken is 21 seconds. Okay, it means that heater takes 20 seconds to change the temperature of this water from 20 degree centigrade to 30 degree centigrade. Okay, is it clear? Next question is from refrigerator, just opposite but the same pattern. A refrigerator extracts energy at the rate of 100 watt. Okay, a refrigerator extracts energy at the rate of 100 watt. How much time will it take to cool 100 gram of lemon squash from 30 degrees centigrade to 5 degree centigrade? Okay, here we have a refrigerator. Okay, refrigerator. Now you will keep in this box lemon squash. Okay, mass of the lemon squash is given how much? 100 gram lemon squash. Temperature, we have to change the temperature 30 degree centigrade to 5 degree centigrade. So if you keep in this lemon squash, the temperature obviously it will decreases. So the rise in temperature delta T, you get the delta T 30 minus 5, 25 degree centigrade. Lemon squash mass 100 gram. Okay, and value of C is also given. Specific heat capacity of lemon squash 4.2 calorie per gram per degree centigrade, it is given. Now power of the refrigerator is 100 watts. Same, power is equal to work by time, cross multiply P into T equal to W. Now this W means work done. Work done is equal to energy, so we can write energy, that is heat energy, equal to power into time. Put Q equal to P into T. Now we know that Q equal to MC delta T. MC delta T. Now here, heat absorbed by refrigerator is equal to heat released by the lemon. We will discuss this in the next video, that is principle of calorimetry. Now here, Q equal to MC delta T. We will write Q equal to P into T, Q equal to P into T, P into T, and MC delta T. Now T equal to, this P will go down. Okay. Now put the value. Mass given 100 gram. C value also given 4.2. Delta T calculated 25 degree centigrade, and power is given 100 watt. Calculate this and tell me the answer. What is the answer of, what is the value of T? Student, please calculate and give me the answer. What is the value of T after calculating? Okay, just comment me. Just text me right now. Thank you.